All right, July 21st. We are headed out quick. It's the last day of Adam and Bill. Bill will be back tomorrow, but doing a little private workshop. We are going to, we have a chance at maybe a dust storm, Haboob on I-8 tonight. I'm not sure, but we are going to get started early because all these storms are rolling down from the Mogollon Rim, down the Beeline Highway, down the 17. We're going to go to the Beeline and try to time lapse some just building erupting storms before they get to Phoenix, and then when they start getting closer and we start getting close to feeling the outflow boundary, then we're going to kind of punch through Phoenix and get on the other side so that we're in position for when that intense outflow crosses the city and then hopefully builds more storms and creates a dust storm once it's south of town around Maricopa, etc. And that's the hope for today. It's gonna be a long day. It's only 12:50. We're just gonna get started and have hopefully a really long day of time lapsing and maybe a good dust storm. I know that we'll see blowing dust. I just don't know if it'll be good or crap or epic. Alright, this is a storm chaser spot. Apparently there's a bunch of people here. And we've got the storms moving off the Four Peaks area coming across. There's the Four Peaks. So we got this nice stormy little shelfy structure coming over, rebuilding, lightning starting to flash. And you can just see kind of the outflow boundary making its way down here. And that's what we're kind of chasing today, is we want to stay in front of that. Ooh, some good hail color up there. Rain coming across the Four Peaks now. The start of it, we will probably have to go soon. But this is worth it here. Okay, here we are west of Maricopa. Made it from the Four Peaks area to west of Maricopa. It is bloody hot out. And we got a pretty storm going up here, and the outflow boundary is coming. It's way out there. This thing is probably going to kick up some dust on its own. It actually kicked up that little dust that's flying that way. And we got other storms here, so not sure what's going to happen today, but this is pretty right now, and there's been a bolt or two, I think, some good thunder. So we'll shoot this for a little bit and then see what happens. You can tell here, that's part of the outflow boundary coming down, and then that way, the outflow boundary is coming down from across the north side or the west side of Phoenix. So, well, I'm surprised it hasn't yet. But maybe they're not going to be good today or something. I don't know.
It looks like it should.
I mean, that's a nice downburst right now. So hopefully the dust gets kicked up and comes right at us here. That'd be a good time lapse. Downburst right there just kicked up all this dust, which is sweet. Time lapse is getting it. Outflow dust there, dust foot kicking up. Outflow boundary might be here. I don't not see a lot of dust yet, so.
Is that dust there?
Yep. I kind of got out in front of it. Light is finally on it. Starting to look better. It really stretches all the way in there probably. That looks nice right there. It's really good right through here. Well, not bad. Just really not bad. I mean, obviously I've been chasing these for 13, 14 years. And it's not the best I've ever seen out here, of course, because that's hard to top. But this is great. Beautiful light. Nice kind of density to it in certain places, and great clouds over it, which makes it really fun. Well, our Haboob is gonna die out soon, but it's actually not horrible. But as you can see, they're starting to get blue sky above it, which you can see, you can make out the outflow boundary above it where it is, but nothing is forming behind it, which means now we've just got dust continuing. There's a storm out there, but this is gonna peter out. And there's a storm out there. Not bad. It's here. Dust wall is weakened, slowly moving by. That was fun. Forecast worked out perfectly today, for the most part. And got some guests there. First real good dust storm, or one of them, Bill, and that's really cool.